Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Isn't it kind of a pain to organize extension cords and hoses? They always make a big mess. I really love these cable organizer straps. These are from ZTSXLLIM, and these can actually accommodate a hose up to 35 feet or an extension cord up to 100 feet. So this was a 4-pack, and these are so simple to use. They have a really strong Velcro as well as a carabiner clip. So you simply wrap the strap right around, and it is a 16-inch strap, and then you Velcro into place to secure it, and then you can hang it however you like. So we've just been hanging them on these S hooks, but there's a variety of ways you can hang these, and they feel super durable, very sturdy, and they do such a great job at organizing all of these hoses and cords that we have in our workshop. These straps are 1.5 inches in width, and this nylon material is so strong. It actually has a maximum load capacity of up to 50 pounds, so very generous in their capacity. So it's perfect for a garage, workshop, RV, trailer, any place where you really need to get organized and have something that's heavy duty. So we've been really happy with the way that these have helped us to keep ourselves organized and keep the messes at bay. We really love this product, and that's my point of view.